Alright y'all, we're at Costco. We're gonna try their food court. Not to get killed by this bit right here. The boys.
What do you want, Nick? A slice of pizza? Oh, strawberry sundae. Oh, chocolate sundae. We gotta try pizza. Pizza? Pepperoni?
Yeah.
Hot dog in a tray?
Yeah.
Cheese, chicken bake? Strawberry sundae or chocolate? Or both?
What about a cold brew latte?
Cold brew freeze?
Do you like that?
Yeah, I never tried it before.
Cold brew mocha freeze?
Wanna try that? Which one?
I want something with caffeine for sure. Cause I got work, so.
I don't know, what's mocha? Chocolate. Chocolate then? Okay. Let's get a strawberry too. Should I get one more hot dog so we can have one hot dog each? Or do you want pizza?
I think I'll be good, man.
Really?
Let's get that and then we'll see.
Okay.
Pepperoni pizza action.
Oh, they're good. Look at that. Have you tried their pizza before? You have?
Oh yeah, they got two pizzas.
Oh, I can't bend down too far.
We got Costco,
The whole menu pretty
America review.
We got
We're
the
gonna go
strawberry
global.
sundae.
So for today, we're here at A Heights or Mount Prospect.
Chicken bake.
Chicken bake.
Classic all beef hot dog.
Classic all beef hot dog.
Damn.
Typically with relish, mustard, ketchup, onions, raw white onions, sweet white onions.
And
But due to COVID, they don't have it. And a pepperoni pizza.
Yeah.
Alright. Can you...
I'll hold it.
Oh no, one place back. Let's fucking rate
Which
it.
one do you want first?
Pizza, I know 100% is good.
Let's split this in half then. Hot, hot.
Oh, look at that.
Chicken bake.
Little shake and bake.
It has bacon.
Not wake and bake. Chicken bake.
Ooh, today has a really nice
They got
day.
hot sauce? There's some hot sauce. Right? This reminds me of Hot Pocket. Hot Pocket.
Ready.
Big fan.
Ready.
Oh fuck. It's hot. Did they give us a second straw for this one? Oh, mine had okay, I'm gonna give the chicken calzone, chicken hot pocket, 7.3. I know the pizza is like 9.3. And the dog, if you like hot dog, it's a decent dog.
All beef though.
Good dog. Ooh, try that.
What's that?
Not bad. You taste the chocolate and the coffee. I like that.
It's good. Mocha. 8.5 on that one.
Yeah, 8.5 on that one.
That's big too.
It's better than, well, yeah.
Most places. Grab a spoon. I'm going
Definitely
dessert.
need some like sauce for this.
I'm going
Mustard
desserts
or-
already, y'all. Strawberry sundae.
Oh, not bad. When you get to the sauce part?
Yeah.
I like it better.
I'm still ready for me to.
Not bad.
I'm on dessert.
What's a custard or a yogurt?
I think it's custard, right?
What's custard again?
It's like
Dairy?
yeah.
Yogurt's dairy too, right?
Oh, that's true. I don't know. Tastes
And then
the
there's gelato.
gelato, yeah.
This is Italian.
Italian style.
I wish I had my shirt.
Blazing.
Alright. So far,
7.3.
7.3.
That's
8.5.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe because it's super hot and this is icy
Refreshing.
beverage.
Try that.
Try this.
It's to me, I'm gonna give that a 7.
I think Maud likes this.
7.
I remember some of it.
7.3 on that too. It tastes funny. Not funny, but maybe I
Airy?
don't like the custard.
I think
stuff.
it's airy.
Mm.
That's how you get more pound. They literally, ice cream companies literally put air.
No? Oh, to fluff it up.
It's the Netflix stuff.
Oh, shit, dusty.
After,
You like it?
yeah. My first bite was dry, but the sauce is more on the bottom of the pocket.
Look at it.
I want to say 8.3 now.
I got too much. I still think it's too much bread. You like bread?
We need it. We just hit like we should have ate it before.
Really?
We could have pushed way more. Well, I only had 2 cuties.
How's the Mountain Dew?
I put Sierra Mist and
Mountain Dew?
lemonade. It's all not good.
Normal.
Their fountain didn't taste public. Ran down.
Shit. Here's. I think it's one. Corner. Oh no.
This reminds me of Nevada. The heat. And you get the out.
That's nice. It's nice. I like this weather. It's kind of windy today though.
Nevada, you don't feel it.
How about this? Oh, you want ketchup?
Yeah. I'm not sure yet. I usually like all of it. Not too much relish, but more onion.
Yeah, they used to have the crank.
The wind from
Not on the
yesterday's
corner.
coming. Yesterday was windy as fuck.
Too much Esther.
Oh, in that case. Must have been a crowd. Oh, love the hot dog. The dog and the pizza here.
It's all beef, dude. It's good quality.
Get the mustard. Put it on your chicken calzone.
Yeah?
Bomb.
Really?
No. Try it. I just want mustard actually.
Yeah, that's good. It's
My condiment of choice. When I'm cooking. I usually like the fresh crunch. And it's all just kind of soft. What do you rate it?
That's my top.
Top so far?
8.8.
8.8? I would give it an 8.3.
Okay. I just like that.
It wasn't windy when we got here.
Yeah. I just like the taste of the dog.
We better get to that pizza place. I'll cover it like that. Yeah. The beef shines through. But I fucking heard it's winding through right now, so. We may have to move.
Okay, guys. Die down.
It's dirt going on.
We're just on the corner, that's why, too. How is it? What do you
8.8.
8.8? Oh, shit.
I like the pizza, I think, the most.
Yeah. I got custard on
And then the dog, and then the chicken calzone.
Custard. But usually I'm more of a pizza guy. But the dogs is pretty good today though. I'll go. Pizza first today. We have to see. I really like the dog tasting.
Maybe it was a bad idea to eat outside. It wasn't windy when I thought of it though.
No.
Oh, and it kind of got loud. It'll settle. I think it's just. Kidding.
Oh no. Oh. Okay.
Hey,
Got a drink. Oh shoot.
it's too hot for the wrap thing. I like it kind of liquidy though.
The chocolate is nice. It's not sweet.
I think it's their fudge. No,
Mm.
could be their fudge.
Oh, it's liquid now. Oh no, your monster got dirt on it. Alright, let's try the pizza, y'all.
Oh yeah, that's the best.
I mean, I like the hot dog's not bad though here.
It's the price that makes it good.
Yeah.
The dog combo is the cheapest shit they got.
Yeah, $1.50, right? Something like that.
Something like that.
$1.50.
That's what makes it good.
All beef hot dog with a drink.
Their fountain drink, they could reset the
Yeah.
flavoring.
That's true. Nick?
Well, why does my side have so many pepperonis? That's why they take them.
No, it's good. It's good. I got more cheese.
They don't know how to put pepperoni down.
Oh.
Oh, wait,
good.
wait. Check out the pizza. It doesn't have that foldable thing that one pizza guy, review guy likes.
Oh yeah.
His standard is it has to fold like that,
It's good.
and then one bite. Everybody knows the rules. And it needs a whole slice. Oh man, grease heaven.
Tasty.
Flavorful.
Mmm.
9.3 right here. Come get it at Costco.
I like the dough.
Some good going on here.
There you go. I mean, I don't know.
What was that? I'm not sure. Probably the
Oh,
monster
top.
cap. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's not good. Mmm.
My favorite.
Pizza all day. But the hot dog, I could go both.
Yeah. Good combo. Get you a drink too.
Oh. Get a slice of pizza and the combo hot dog.
You're good. Be set. That's a good lunch combo.
That's only what? $3.50 for two hot dog, all beef hot dog, drink, and a big slice of pizza. $3.50. Can't beat that. And you don't need a Costco card to get just the food.
It doesn't convert the membership, huh?
I guess, yeah, maybe not. But some people don't know they can just go in.
But you do have one, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, definitely pizza. The dough is unbelievable.
Pepperoni salty too.
Yeah.
I had a lot too.
Yeah, pepperoni is salty. They only have cheese and what? Cheese and pepperoni. I'm not a huge fan of this custard either. Alright. I don't know. I like this more.
Alright. That's Costco America. We'll see you nationwide. No, global wide. No. How do you say that? Worldwide. At other Costco's.
Worldwide.
Japan Costco next. Are you